ABUJAMOM. Look at your mom. 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 Just look at your mom. Your daddy's twinning. He loves you. 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 And he misses you. He loves you, baby. Good morning, guys. Kids have gone to school. I'm so sleepy and tired. I didn't sleep well last night. Your baby girl was just finishing me. I'm so sleepy, and I have to. My mom and my brother just left the house. My mom went to visit her friend, her co-wife, my uncle's wife. So then, and she went with my brother. Then it's just me and baby at home. I want to sleep. I want to edit, but then I have to go to Gina's school for open day. So my mom is supposed to come back a bit early, so that I will leave her with the baby, then go for the open day. But I just pray she comes back early. There's no wahala on the road. That's just the thing. I have to bath. I have lots of things to do. There's somebody will not be telling me to burn another picking for them. Please, if you want to burn, go and burn by yourself. I'm not burning. Let me sleep small, even if it's 30 minutes before my mom comes, then I will not edit. I can't even cope. The sleep is entering my brain. Can't. Hey guys, good afternoon. So guys, I know I didn't tell you, I don't know how to explain to you guys, but guys, my mom has left, and somehow we couldn't do a video. Things were just somehow it just wasn't going to work. I'm trying so much to film with my brother, so I don't know how to explain what is happening, but somehow we're not just able to sit down and film, because most times when I'm ready, he's busy. When he's ready, I'm busy, baby, you know. Something happened yesterday. Things have been happening in my life that is just whether that devil is just trying to just play me, but it's not that fire devil, as in my tripod got broken. I had to order a new one after a long time, because I was still thinking I could fix it, but I couldn't. And then my phone got spoiled yesterday. I was just holding my phone. I was hearing Gina and Ife playing in their room, making noise, and I went to go and shout, go and caution them. As I was just opening the door to shout, my phone just fell from my hand. Jesus, guys, the shout I couldn't shout. I just weak, cold. When cold, breeze not they blow, but cold they catch you. Serious cold catch me, because I was like, hey, I don't enter. I entered though, because my screen started having issues. I had to now go and change my screen, which cost me a bit of money. No plan, and I was cooking ofaku. It was not as if it was not paying me. Who sent me to go and cook ofaku? Ofaku is pumpkin stew. The way I'm laughing now is because I've repaired it. Yesterday my face was squeezed. I couldn't even vlog even till today, because I've repaired, so my face is now doing normal. Hey Jesus, I stopped wearing my postpartum belt because I started feeling one kind pain just around this side. I started feeling one kind pain this side, so I had to stop wearing. I pray this thing is not too bright, because I just feel like it's too bright. So I had to stop wearing my postpartum belts. I don't want to hear. If I was using my hand, I'm going to give myself sickness. I beg you, if I no flat, I'm not going to die. I'm not going to die. I'll just chill, give myself some time, then I'll start wearing it again. But for now, I have to calm down, because I'm feeling pains there, and I don't know if it's because I'm wearing postpartum belt or it's supposed to be there, because I don't think I felt that pain before. I'm not sure. That's for me over there. I don't know if you guys can see him. That's him, yeah. The guy on Facebook. drive out. Hey guys, good morning. So I'm with your favorite girl. Yeah, see her. She wants me to carry her. Sorry. So I'm actually on my way to go and collect my share of tomatoes and chicken I paid for. Well, like 3 weeks paid for some things, and they're already here, so I'm going to go and take my own portion of it. But Ola is disturbing. Hey Ola, baby, are you going to allow me to be doing things? So like I have to go fast. I've been keeping them waiting. Like, hey Ola, guys, let me show you something. So there's this thing doing Ola on her face. Can you guys see? I don't know what this thing is. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to remove it. But not, please, not anything extreme. Like, it's not a do or die affair. Let me know if you know anything that I can use. This thing's on her face. It's getting worse. It's becoming more. I don't like it. How are you guys this morning? I didn't even ask you guys. Sorry. How are you guys this morning? Hope you slept well. How are your kids? How is your boo? How is yourself? You know? Hope you slept well. Hey, let me go. Hey, Ola, I need to go. Let me try and go. Let me drop her and go. Okay, bye. That's why I like the dashi, because dashi makes your stew. But
it's still red.
Hello. But if I knew, I would have bought more dashi. Do you like the dashi?
You did our gate.
Excuse me.
You serious? Okay, make I call them. Maybe allow you. 2,000. Okay. All right.
Excuse me, it's business.
What's the name?
It's serious, it's business.
What's Philip? Okay.
You come out on my YouTube channel. Don't be showing Bumbo. You come out on my YouTube channel.
Try to fight it, but you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming from someone you love. Not the wisest to deceive her. Can I hide away above it all in the silence? It's conceited, 'cause it believes that we're defeated. To our surprise, I believe that what's inside us will release us now.
So guys, I just got back home. See your baby, she was crying. Immediately she heard my voice, she calmed down. So let me reduce this thing. So guys, like, I don't know, you guys have already seen what I got. Things are so expensive now. That onions I got, I don't think I showed you the particular, like what I eventually got, because my battery died. I don't know, charging phone is a problem to me these days. Like, I couldn't carry my camera, like, then do me say no charge your phone. So it was so expensive, and things are so small for the price, but compared to what they're selling now, it's very cheap. Like, we got a good buy compared to what they're selling now. Every girl has been talking, she has even poo-pooed. I have to go and bath her. But I'm eating, I'm having breakfast, I'm having cornflakes. The tomatoes, why it was actually like that was because they actually bought it since like yesterday or day before yesterday. They came into Abuja yesterday and we couldn't share it, so it has pressed. You know, tomatoes, they don't last. That's why sometimes when they sell tomatoes costly, I think they pay me, because I'm like, it's perishable, so it's supposed to be something that you're supposed to be selling on sharp. Hey guys, so I just finished filming two videos. One is mom hacks and the other one was my CS experience, how somehow the doctor stitched up my bladder when doing my CS. So go watch that video, very important. That video is very important. And I also explained some of the things you need to do before you do CS in Nigeria from a mom's point of view. So I just finished doing this video, the two videos that I just did, and I want to arrange my living room. The kids just got back from school. I'm super excited, guys, because I've not done a sit down video for a long time, and I'm also feeling myself because I've not done makeup for also a long time. So you know guys, if I show you my down, I'm not wearing I'm not wearing anything. Let me tie a wrapper and arrange my parlor. I beg. Let me tie a wrapper. Do you tie a wrapper at home? I actually tie a wrapper sometimes, but like this thing I'm doing, it can be like once in like once in 5 months, once in 4 months. But I've done something that lately I've just been liking wrapper. It just makes me really comfortable. You know, some people will tell you don't tie wrapper, it makes you look old, but I feel like it depends on how you tie it, because like the way I'm doing it, like I'm not looking like a mama, I'm not looking like an old mama. So you know, let me arrange. Okay, let me arrange.
Oh, you know the world just have to trust now. Then maybe we'll find out. But now we're coming to the place in the tall grass where we see that the elders have lost time, and the lessons we learned from a long past have all but abandoned our small minds. Dream about nothing but fear, trying to run up a decline.
So guys, I just finished with arranging. Baby's crying, so I have to go and check on my baby. Okay, so bye.
I don't want you to tell me.
Yes.
Mom, now she's happy.
Yeah, she's seeing her mom.
Come on, so. Mom, it's how I went in the makeup.
Please close that makeup and go and keep them there. So I'll arrange it. Okay, thank you. So I just finished with the kids' homework and feeding the baby. Guys, I just realized that today was 1st of December. Like, I didn't realize. Gina just told me today that, Mom, do you know today is 1st of December? Like, you want to come? I know you want to come. Alright, come. I just realized that, Jean. Come close so we can see. Yeah.
I hope my mom buys baby, and also
She's the one. Gina is the one that brings baby's diaper.
and also the changing thing.
Yeah, if it helps too. If it helps too. And if it is always with baby. The kids are always just wanting to just be with baby.
Yeah,
to carry
we want to do our best, because in our class chapter it said do our best and be kind and have fun.
Yeah.
Hurry, baby.
Don't worry, you know you're still a little bit little. Yeah.
Everyone said they were little. Maybe we can call them the Go Girls.
The Go Girls. We're the Go Girls.
Yeah.
Go Girls.
So you're a Go Girl. I mean, I go good boy. You're a Go Boy. Go Boy.
If it's a Go Boy.
And Anna's a Go
Go Girl.
a super Go Girl.
Yeah.
And all of us are Go
We're Go
Boys
twins.
or Go Girls.
So I'm about to clean my makeup, take up my
What can
makeup.
I do it?
You want to remove my makeup for me?
Yes.
Gina, I just want to do everything for me. Thank
Please.
you. No.
In a big no.
You know why it's getting darker? Because I'm using a white wipe, so it's making like bringing out the real tone of where I am.
Yeah.
If I remove this thing now, it's my camera will pick it up into baby.
There's something here.
Of course, I'll remove everything.
Look at it. Mom.
Yes, baby.
The only thing I like to do is take care of baby.
I know.
I love babies. Mom, don't you know? And when I went to this, I was thinking that when it was this fake.
Well, that what was fake?
When we got to the hospital the first time.
Okay, you were
I thought it
thinking
was
maybe I
fake.
didn't really have a baby.
And when I saw it, I saw a face, and then it would look. I thought it was just someone having a costume.
Oh man, no.
And then when I just started But like he makes
So this is
baby
sorry. So
sounds.
this is real. This is Gina's real reaction. She's telling me how she felt the day she came to the hospital to see baby. Okay. When you heard the baby making real sound, what did you know?
I thought I still thought it was fake, but when you're carrying her, I saw really clear. Then I was like,
Guys, we're with the fabulous Furo. Gina, you break her waist though. Gina doesn't know she's so big.
You're so big.
Gina is so big.
"1, 2, 3."
Gina, if I keep the classes. Wait, don't do exercise again.
I had my 2 kids locked.
Okay, okay. Your daughter and your son.
My last child and my son.
Okay. I beg,
The other 2 were just
normal. It seemed me. I haven't forgotten a lot of things.
You feel like
A lot of. I'm telling you, a lot of things. So she never even sleep well today. Gina, no. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Please
Okay.
keep it well.
They're really hard to walk with.
Oh, yeah, keep it well.
I'm a little wobbly.
Don't worry. Soon you still start.